Well, welcome back. In this video I finish off the brickwork and the insulation and give it its first firing. So just wetting the bricks here, and the new insulating bricks that are going to go on there obviously been soaked in water as per the previous video. So I've finished the back off there. The top, I didn't actually mortar that because it just sits on top, so I've got an inch of the ceramic pad and then some insulating bricks sitting on top, which I cut in half. And here it's pretty much done. I've got the temperature gauge in there. Those brackets I just cut off shortly after that, and this is the final bit, just welding it to the base because I wanted to have the brickwork done just to make sure the weight was good. Just 4 tacks because it's mobile for now, but eventually I do want to have this fixed somewhere in a permanent position. Well, there we go. This is all done. I've still got to mortar these and put the stone on, but what I want to do now is fire it up and actually see how it goes. So this turned out really good. It's been about a month. That should be fairly dry. Got some ceramic pad and some more bricks on there. The back turned out good, and same on this side. So all done, very, very well insulated. So I'll fire it up, see how it lights. I'll try to do it quite slowly to give this a chance to heat up and really evaporate off any moisture that still could be in these bricks, because I had to obviously soak them. So here we are, just with the first fire. Just firstly putting some smaller bits of sort of sticks and branches in. It's mainly red gum, so it's fairly hardwood, burns really nicely, and this will just give it a chance to slowly warm up, just to make sure I do get all that moisture out. Well, that's been burning for about an hour or so. It's pretty clean, and it's looking really good. I'll just give it a couple more hours, I think, to really heat it up. This insulation has come up awesome. I can't feel any heat whatsoever coming through here. Just on this top corner, slightly hotter. It's probably about 40 plus, 45. This, same, little bit of heat. The chimney does have a bit of heat, obviously, because that's really hot. So when I put that stone on there, it's probably a bit touched, it's a bit hot, so I'll probably use high temperature mortar for that. The front's obviously metal, so that's really hot. So yeah, very happy with that. Whew, that is hot. So we'll try to cook something soon. But yeah, no complaints. I think there's been a bit of expansion. I've got to free up. These doors don't slide as easy as what I'd like them to, so a bit of fine tuning, but overall turned out awesome. Well, I've just made up a couple of my favourite pizzas here, just to give it its initial trial. So heated up real nice. It's at about 370 degrees Celsius. Only takes 2 or 3 minutes for pizzas to cook at that sort of temperature. Cooks really nicely, so very happy with this. Now that I've tested it and that's all good, the next video will just be finishing the stone, which will be on the sides, the back, and then a slate roof. Stay tuned.